Hello moneymakers. Yesterday I was scrolling through the internet and found this reel. When I checked the views, this video got 61 million likes in just 4 days, which is insane. Not only this video, all of their videos have millions of views. So I did a little research and found a channel that uploads similar kinds of videos on YouTube, which gained over 250,000 subscribers by uploading just 61 videos in only 4 months. Unfortunately, this channel made a mistake that resulted in YouTube not monetizing their content. I'll explain what that mistake was and how to fix it later in the video. But first, let's dive into how to create this type of video. So grab some snacks and stick around until the end. First, we need to create hybrid animal pictures. And for this, you need to use ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and ask, give me an image generation prompt for hybrid bull and scorpion. And there you go. You have a prompt to generate the image. If you want to generate a hybrid picture of any other animals, just replace bull and scorpion with the names of the animals you want. So, okay guys, now you need to copy this prompt and then open any image generator tool. You can use Leonardo, Ideogram, or Midjourney. Here I will use an Ideogram for this. Sign in your account, and you will get some free token to use daily. Now paste the prompt, which you copied from ChatGPT. Then choose a 16:9 ratio from this available option. And hit generate. It will generate 4 images for you. Choose one which is best, and download it on your computer. Now let's create another. I will ask ChatGPT to give me image generation prompt for hybrid wolf and dragon. Let's copy this and paste it here. That's amazing. You can make changes in the prompt according to your preference, or you can also ask ChatGPT to change the prompt as per your requirement. This way, one by one, you need to generate hybrid animal pictures with any image generator tool you like. Alright, now in the second step, you need to animate all the pictures you generated, and for this you can use Luma AI or Pika Labs. Usually the waiting period in Luma AI is very long, so let's use Pika Labs. But you can try both and the result of both the tools are amazing. Alright, open Pika AI, upload the hybrid animal picture, and write add motion. I already created one, so let's see the result. That's pretty good, right? This way, one by one animates all the images and downloads them to your computer. These are the videos which I created with Pika Labs. So guys, our second step is also completed. Let's move on to the next step. Now we need to create another image in which both the animals are facing each other. That means both the animals are separate in one picture. So let's ask ChatGPT, give me an image generation prompt in which wolf and dragon are facing each other. This way generates a prompt for each scenes. Now copy this prompt and generate the image and download it. So our image creation process is completed. Now you need an energetic music and a different kind of animal sound which makes our video entertaining to watch. And if you want to use the exact same music that Planet of AI is using, you can use this music, monetizable chorale. But make sure to give credit in the description, otherwise you may get a copyright claim. However, you can also take copyright music from Pixabay and YouTube Audio Library. Or if you are going to upload on Instagram or TikTok, you can use any music. Wait, if you want me to cover a specific topic for you, just add the name of the channel and some information in the comment section. I will pick your comment and create a dedicated video on that topic for you. Alright, now let's move to the last step, which is editing, and for this I will use CapCut. Open CapCut and import all the materials. Now first drag the image in which both the animals are separate, then drag the hybrid video, which you generated with Pika Labs. If you are using free version of any tool to animate the image, it will come with a watermark. So to remove this, you have 2 options. You can blur that, or you can crop that part like this. Or you can also add your watermark to hide this. Now drag the another animal picture and add the video. This way, one by one, add all the images and video into the timeline. Now add the background music you choose for your video. Then add some animal sound effects or monster sound effects to make your video look cool. After that, add animation to each and every video and image, so it will add movement in that scene. Then you can also add some effects like spark or lighting crack if it suits your video. After that, open your browser and search for the neon plus icon, then download one of the images and import it into the CapCut. After that, add this plus icon on the image where both animals are separate. And to remove the black background, click on Image and choose the screen option from the blend section. And there you go, the background is removed from the image. Now copy this and add it into another image. So this, how you can create animal diffusion short. Now before showing the result, let me show you why YouTube did not monetize that person's channel. The issue is that this person didn't add anything unique from their side. They just uploaded videos with images and background music. Because of this, the channel got views and subscribers, but it wasn't monetized. Now I'll tell you the solution to this problem. You need to add something unique from your side, like using your own voice, or you can use an AI voice as well. For example, you can say something like, how would it look if a bull and a scorpion were combined?
Bull and scorpion joint together.
And if you do this in all your videos, there is higher possibility that you won't face any monetization issues. And now, if you found this video even a little helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Now enjoy the video.
Bull and scorpion joint together. Shark and bear joint together. Panther and horse joint together. Dragon and wolf joint together. Lion and scorpion joint together. Tiger and dinosaur joint together. Lion and crocodile joint together.